Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the core facts. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Activation to read the exact error. Once done, note whether you have a digital license linked to your Microsoft account, an OEM key on a sticker, or a retail product key. Make sure your PC is online and the date and time are correct because activation relies on network checks. Fixing those first avoids wasted steps. This prepares you for a focused, legal resolution instead of guesswork. You now take the official activation steps. Start with the built-in activation troubleshooter. It can repair common registration issues automatically. If you have a digital license, sign into the same Microsoft account on this PC so the license can be applied. Once signed in, choose Activate. If you physically possess a retail key, select Change Product Key and type it carefully. Copying prevents typos. If activation succeeds, make sure to update Windows to capture the final license state and remove warnings. You finish by addressing persistent problems and safeguarding legitimacy. If automated tools fail, use the activation page to get the device ID and contact Microsoft support. They can validate ownership and reassign a digital license if appropriate. Remember that major hardware changes, like a motherboard replacement, often break activation and require relinking the license. If you lack a valid key, purchase a genuine license from Microsoft or an authorized retailer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.